How to fix allow access to camera not found on Android apps. So now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So let's see if the app is Facebook. You can do this with all the apps available on your Android app. So if the app let's see if the app is the Facebook, what you can do is you can simply go to your settings of your device and then scroll down, and here you can see the apps option. Click on this and then click on the manage apps. Here you have to, in the search bar, you have to type the Facebook app, and here you can see the Facebook. Open the Facebook app, and in the permissions tab you can see the app permissions. Click on the app permissions, and you can see if you denied if you don't allow the access Facebook to the camera, then you can see here the camera is in denied tab. So what you can do to allow it is click on the camera and then allow it by clicking on the allow, and now it is on the camera is on the allow tab. And now if the problem is fixed and fixed but the some of you guys that if the problem is not fixed, what you can do is you can simply long hold the Facebook app, and here you can see the in these options pop up in the share app info and remove. Click on the app info, and here you can see the option of uninstall in the most bottom. Click on the uninstall, and here you can again click on the OK. So you can see the OK with the blue button. Click on the OK, and it will the uninstall the app. It means delete the app permanently. And now what you can do is you have to again reinstall the app by going to your Play Store, and then you can search the Facebook, and then you can reinstall the app. And after reinstalling the app, you can sign in into your account, and then you can see the app is normally working. So that's basically it, that how you can fix this problem. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.